Hello everyone, I'm Little K. In the previous section, we talked about this stage hanging lamps on the stage because when I operate, I use command Win, the console scroll wheel to scroll these parameter values. So, you can pay attention. These values that I set. What is entered? What about this section? We may need to turn the lamp head of the lamp. Let's say we select now. This front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You don't have to choose this. We turn it off. We selected these sets of lights. We press the negative switch or press highlight. Did you see it? How are the lamps? Upwards. And we are now facing down. So how do we proceed? Turn the lamp up. Suppose I now move the y-axis of this xy axis. Move its y-axis. I use the scroll wheel to scroll this parameter value. Hit a positive value. It is in front of the court. Okay, let's click on Setup now. Click this setting again. Use the toolbar to come out. Turn to page 2. 1 of 2 is the first page. 2 of 2 is the second page. What do we need to do at this time? Turn the lamp head up. Let's turn the lamp head up first. If once you find that the tools for this toolbar are gone, all you need to do is reactivate it. I'll cancel this for a bit. I re-click here. You see it again on the second page. I click the scroll wheel to rotate the x-axis. From bottom to top. That must be 180 degrees. You don't have to say it. Don't think about it. This is. Okay. After 180 degrees, then we are fighting forward. Hey. The lamp is struck forward. All hit forward. What does that mean in this direction? This direction is right. Then hit left. Hey. Hit to the right. You see. This direction is correct. That means this set of lights. We have now successfully adjusted the lamp head. Now let's clear it out. Okay, we chose this set of lights and another set of lights. We press full to consecrate. It's all facing down. Then let's fight forward. The light saw hit backwards, right? The light saw is now hit backwards. Then let's activate this. Toolbar to the second page. What we turn it? Z-axis. Turn it around. Clockwise. How many degrees have you turned around? Come over there. Same. 180 degrees. Okay. 180 degrees. You see, it's just 180 degrees. The lamps are exactly the same now. Right? Okay, now let's clear it again. Back to the next group. 1234. Press the negative. These lamps are all facing the sky. So what are we going to do? Turn its x-axis. Pry it up to the sky. 180 degrees. Over. Okay, 180 degrees. It has reached 180 degrees. At this time, let's adjust and look forward. It is moving forward. Right? Moving forward. Let's look at it from the side. How could this light be so short? At least it's moving forward now. I need to hit forward now. But there are two sets of lights when we hung the lights, not directly forward. But how? Like it. Like which direction? That's good. We go to the top. Top to see. Select one of the groups. Let's clear it first. It cannot be removed. We click Oops. This is it. Take a step back. It's out again. We close this. At this time, we select individually this set of lights. You see that the light is yellow. That's it. We turn its crooked axis. 45 degrees. 45 degrees is not enough. Let's see how much it turns. I may have turned wrong. I went to the front of the top to see. Rotate the y-axis. The whole set turns. Not. It's the cake I turn. Wrong turn. I should turn this z-axis. Then rotate the z-axis. How many degrees? 45 degrees. 45 degrees is beautiful. Let's choose the second group now. I turned 45 degrees in reverse. 45 degrees. At this time, you see, it's the same as our picture. We also keep moving forward. Wrong point. We selected these sets of lights. Selected together. Forward. Backward. Right. Forward. To the left. To the right. That's okay. No problem. Clear. That's it. Class Port 1200. 1. 2 units. Let's click the switch. Click on Full or Highlight. Full which? Let me remind you again. Full is this one. Point it is consecrated. It is full of value. Highlight can also be lit. Okay, let's fight forward. Fight backwards. Let's fight forward like this. The lamp hit forward. That's okay. But it is not a fight forward. Misread. Is it a forward fight? Fight forward. No problem. We can go left. Opposite to the right. Let's clear it out. No problem. Select the second group. The same point is repeated. Dotted repetition. We may have to take it over and get some revenge. Consecration. Okay. We move forward. About the front. Go left or right. No problem. Okay, clear. We chose this group. Consecration. Forward. Okay. Basically no problem. Then look at this group. This group is no. There was no rebellion. But it's axial direction. You see, we are fighting forward. So what do we need? Select this group. We turn its z-axis 45 degrees. 45 degrees. See, no. It's 45 degrees here. We choose the second group. Turn in the opposite direction. 45 degrees. We choose this group again. Turn another 45 degrees. Positive 45. We choose this group again. 45. Okay, its lamp head is turned. Beautiful. At this time, look again. This group. With this group, we press consecration. We fight forward. Okay. It hit backwards. Now let's clear it out. Cleared again. I step back a little. What are you doing to clear it? Click on it. Activate this again. Let's click. Z goes. Turn with the trend. Get it 100. Get 180 degrees first. No problem. This one. Keep it in order. Also in accordance with the times. Get it 180 degrees. Okay. Now it is forward facing. But where are ours? It's z-axis. It is at a 45-degree angle. Then we have to go back a little. Go back. Turn back at a 45-degree angle. 180 45. Should be 135. 135, right? It seems to feel right. We select the second group. Group 2. 135. Okay, let's choose again. This group is the same. Then loose. Positive 135. Then this side is negative. $135. Beautiful. There is no need to turn this game in the middle. But we're going to look at it. Right, don't give us a negative congratulation. We fight forward. This look is to fight backwards. So what are we going to do? Turn its z-axis 180 degrees to let it roll over, taking advantage of the trend. Look at my numbers quickly, because I'm spinning the roller. Okay. 180 degrees. Clear it up. Then we pick it. Press the consecration. Let's try it. No problem. But something felt a little off. Consecrate down. Tune it up. I'm now 90 degrees. Why is this light so big? It's not 90 degrees either. Forget it. Let's do it as it is. So good. This one has no angle. There is an angle. Not without angles. I was wrong. What angle? Consecration angle. It is not shining on us now. So we have to choose these two groups. We want to choose these two groups. This group. This group. After the two sets of lights were consecrated. How about us? Put the x-axis. Turn up. Turn to -90 degrees. You see, there is a white strip in the middle of it. Oh, not on this side. Then this side may turn around. I need to check it to turn the other way around. Maybe I need to turn 90 degrees. It has it. We are going to condemn it. Let's come a little. Oh, maybe still -90 degrees. Maybe I didn't pick the light just now. Oh yes, I didn't select the light. Sorry. Okay, these two groups. Okay, what about the future? We choose this group, this group, this group. Two groups of two. Let's follow this group. Press the consecration. Let's take a look. It's not on our side. Which one are we going to turn this time? Or XO? Turned around. Turned. To put this. Let it go. Go to the position where the lamp head comes over -90 degrees. Then select both groups. Press the consecration. Zoom in. Turn it. Rotate its z-axis. The 90-degree group has turned better. What about this group? Strange, this group should be also 90 degrees. It should be 90 degrees. To be able to see it, I'll clean it up later. Let's move on to something else first. Take the time first. This set of bends. This group. This group. Open. Open. The lamp head is back. The lamp is facing down. We want to choose here, page 2. Turn around. 90 degrees. Turn back. Look at the lamp. The front is bright white. It is forward. Okay, clear it up. And then this one. Let's zoom in. Consecration and consecration. Let's click. This turn X on the second page. Turn around, turn around. 90 degrees. No problem. -90 is not 90. Good and no problem. Okay, let's turn the page again. Here, this. Open the port and condemn it. Turn it. X exceeded. -90. Okay. All the lights are finished. Only one set of lights. This set of lights is out of order. What do I need now? Open my math read. I want to go to that place and take a look at it. Or I can actually come to the top. But I'm going to confirm. You see, when I was at the top, I'm here. I can totally see it. My light. You see, my lights didn't actually get better, right? I need to turn again. Hey, it's 90 degrees. But it didn't come. Then it should be turned again. Then turn it backwards. Here. The lights are here. Turn it around the other way. 1, 2, 3. And then I just didn't consecrate. Stupid really. Sit quietly and silly. Look at the front. Consecrated. At this time, we just need to go to MA2 to take a look. The light was on. Okay, we chose this lamp like this. We go back like this. Because there are some lights. Maybe we are the stage. I didn't mark the height of the stage for it. Its overall height. If we talk about the overall height, it should rise again. About 2 meters. These lamps, it also rises a little more. A lamp has risen. Rise again. Just let it not be buried by these lights. Okay, let's give it a try. Is this lamp head useful? We chose this batch of lights. Select this batch of lights. Select this batch of lights. Click follow. Follow. Press the consecration. I clicked. Hey. No problem. Come here. Come here. Okay. This is to earn a lamp. Our mission was accomplished. But there are many tools. We haven't explained it yet. I didn't explain it to you one by one. That's it for this chapter. Next class, explain to everyone what is on the stage. This is some of these tools. Thank you very much.